In this quick video, I'll show you how to open developer options on any Android. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to enable developer options, we just need to go to our settings in our mobile and then just scroll down to the bottom, and now we can see here is an option called about phone. We just need to click on it and then we can see build number. We just need to click on build number 7 times to enter developer mode. But if you don't see build number, then we can just search on our settings. Here we can search build number and then we can see build number is here. Then we can click on it and now we just need to tap 7 times to enter build number. I will type here 7 times. After that my developer options will be enabled. Now you can see pop-up is here. My developer options is now enabled. I can search it in my settings and I can type here developer options. You can see it here. After that I can click on it and access all the settings in developer options. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.